lesson here is by what's in bold, writing a one-step variable expression for a real-world situation. Now, first off, I want to kind of explore a couple words here in this title. First word is one step. All right. So what that means is we're only going to have one math operation. Okay. Maybe we add two things together. Maybe we subtract it. Maybe we multiply it. Maybe we divide it. We're going to figure out what that is based on the problem, but it's only one step. So there's only one operation there. Another word that I want to explore is this expression. What this means is there will not be any equal signs in your answers. Okay, it's not a one-step equation. It's a one-step expression. All right. For this real-world situation. Now, maybe we need to read the problem a couple times. All right, that's always helpful in a real-world situation. It says write an algebraic expression to answer the question below. All right, so an algebraic expression to answer the question below. How many seconds are there in minutes? All right. So it says how many seconds, that seems to be an important word in this sentence, and minutes is also seems to be an important word. Now, let me think about this here. Anytime I think about seconds and minutes, I want to think about some numbers that automatically pop into mind, and one of those numbers is 60. All right? And we need to think about how we can go from seconds to minutes. Well, one of the things I want to think about is if my number gets bigger. If I'm going from seconds to minutes, is it a bigger number than minutes or a smaller number? It's a bigger one, right? If you have 2 minutes, that's 120 seconds. So obviously it's a bigger number. So I want to think about this. Am I going to add or am I going to multiply? Which one makes the most sense to do here with the m? 60 plus m or 60 times m? It looks like 60 times m, so if you want to write it with the multiplication sign in there, you can do that. Typically, whenever we have a number and a letter that we're multiplying, we just leave them next to each other. That indicates the multiplication step. All right, let's go to the next problem here. And let's see what we have. This is in the again, the same set of directions, but in a given month, Kayla earns D dollars and owes $926 in expenses. How much in dollars does she have after paying the expenses? So think about it. What am I going to do with the D and the 926? This time it gives us the number. Am I going to add them together, subtract them, multiply them, or divide them? Pause this video and see what you come up with. Now again, we have the D and we have the 926. You may have already figured out we're going to subtract it, all right? Because it says how much does she have left. That's a key word there. How much does she have left after paying the expenses? But with subtraction, we need to figure out what order it is, all right? She earns D dollars and she owes 926. So when you pay a bill or when you go to the store, how do you subtract that? Do you take the amount of money that you have and subtract it from the part that you owe, or the part that you owe minus the amount that you already have? Which one of these is correct? And it has to be this here. I hope it's the top one, because if it's the bottom one, then you're definitely going to be in debt. All right? So the amount of money that you have minus $926 is the correct answer.